Welcome back. In this course, we will take a look at the traditional team structure of a game development team, starting with the game producer. The producer is generally the head of a game project. This person is responsible for communicating with the people higher up in the company and on behalf of everyone else on the team. A producer is responsible for managing the budget, managing the project, and distributing tasks to other leads and team members. Creatively, the producer has the power to cancel and remove any feature from the game. And since the producer keeps track of what everyone is doing on the project, this individual is essentially the memory of the studio. The producer knows who works, who doesn't, and who deserves a promotion or a raise. And because the producer needs to keep track of everyone and everything, this individual is often required to stay after regular work hours if some team members do overtime. The presence of the producer reminds everyone on the team that even if we are making fun video games, this is first and foremost a business. To help out, some game production team could also have an associated producer, and such position is often used as a stepping stone to train future game producers. Under the producer, we have the lead designer of the project, who is responsible for designing the game and managing the design department. This person is responsible for creating, maintaining, and communicating the vision of the game with everyone else on the team. In some ways, the producer and lead designer represent the mother and father figures of a project. And under them, we will find the managers of all other departments, such as the lead programmer, the art director, the audio director, and the lead QA. On the design team, we will find various types of designers, including but not limited to game designers, level designers, technical designers, mission designers, narrative designers, UX, aka user experience designers, game economy designers, writer, and others. On the programming team, we're going to find generalist game programmers, 3D graphics programmers, gameplay programmers, AI programmers, network programmers, referring here to multiplayer, physics programmers, and others. On the art team, we're going to find concept artists, 3D artists, art surface artists, referring here to vehicles, weapons, and robotics, environment artists, character artists, texture artists, 3D animators, riggers, they're responsible for adding bones characters, technical artists, visual effects artists, UI artists, and others. On the audio team, we're going to have sound designers responsible for creating sound effects, music composers, voice actors, and others. On the quality and assurance team, we're going to have functionality testers, compatibility testers, compliance testers, localization testers, and live ops testers. So that's pretty much it for today. I thank you for your time and see you in the next course.